Hello my loves, in today's video we are going to jump right into it. I will go ahead and leave a link down below for the prep. So first things first is we are going to take a bead that's kind of medium sized, and you want to make sure that you drain the excess liquid off so that it's not running all over the place. You want to make sure your bead kind of stays stabilized on that part of the nail that you are extending. So after you put that bead on the free edge, you are going to just pat it out sidewall to sidewall so that you are covering each side of the nail, and then you're going to just like slowly pat it out to extend it too. This is what a lot of people worry about. What if it gets like on the skin? It's okay because your bead is pretty dry still, so you're able to just take your brush and run it underneath. That way you can separate the skin and the acrylic so it's more like a nail. So you want to use a pretty small to medium sized bead, just enough to make it a little bit longer than the bitten nail. After I extended the nail free edge, I'm going to use a form. What you can do also is you can kind of engrave a smile line in that nail bed that you just extended and add a tip so it's not as bulky. But I like to use a form and just do forms on the short bitten nails. So for the length of the nail, you don't want to make it super long because the itty bitty nail isn't going to be able to support it. So whatever the length of the nail bed is of the natural nail, you want to use that as basically the length of your tip. So if they have a super small nail and you're extending it out and everything, you don't want to make that nail too long. You want to make it just like sport length and very short, because the natural nail that's bitten doesn't have that support and it's not going to be able to like hold on to it, and that's what makes it more likely to snap and break in half. So this is really a point where you want to teach your clients that have short bitten nails, like, you know, this is more of a reconstruction service and you are more so trying to make her nail beds healthy and somewhat longer, and you're just putting an enhancement over it to just kind of prevent the client from, you know, biting their nails more or whatever their nervous twitch may be. After you sculpted the nail to your liking, once it dries, we're going to take that form off, and then we're going to file, shape, and buff it. Even if you're just learning, you have to remember you are the expert, or going to be the expert in this kind of nail category. So you want to be able to kind of tell your clients with confidence on what they can and can't do. And I know we have those clients that want the extendo nails and they want super long nails with these itty bitty nail beds, but I'm sorry baby, because that ain't gonna happen. It just isn't. Like, I want to make sure that you protect your clients or whoever you do nails on too, and you don't want those things to snap, because we've seen those horror like memes where, oh, those things are bloody and snap right in the middle. So if they have a baby nail, they get in short nails, okay, until we can grow those things out. Short nails and bitten nails are kind of, you know, a nail tech's worst fear, but no need to fear. It's okay. You got this. Literally just extend the nail bed. If you want to add a tip to that extended acrylic nail bed, you can. If you want to just continue to form it like I did, you can. There's so many ways to just make our lives a little bit easier. We just got to find them. So next we're gonna brush and dust, and we're taking our Young Nails Overdrive and we're going to do a V French gel tip, just to make it have a little something something. Even short nails can look cute, especially with French tips. They're just like really classy. Ombres are good for short nails. You just don't want to do too much because they don't look as good as like long nails. But yeah, I hope you guys like this tutorial on how to work on short or bitten nails. I hope this helps you. That way you don't have to turn down clients if you're a little unsure on how to work on their nails. You just want to make sure that bead is nice and moldable when you're doing your free edge so it's not sloppy all over. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!